Good morning, this is Subhasish. Welcome to my channel The Key of Success. Today I'll share MCQs of GK, which is very important for your competitive exam. I want to request to you, please don't skip the video and watch the till end. Like the video, then like, share and also subscribe this channel, and this video is going to be very important and very helpful for your upcoming all competitive exam. So guys, I don't want to wasting any time. Let's start. First question, in what year did the capital of India move to Delhi? A. 1909, B. 1910, C. 1911 and D. 1912. The right answer is C. 1911. In the year 1911, 12 December, the capital of India moved to Delhi from Kolkata. Come to the next question. Question number 2. In what year NTPC formed? A. 1974, B. 1975, C. 1976 and D. 1977. And the right answer is option B. 1975. And guys, you also note that in the year 1975 7th November, the National Thermal Power Corporation was formed. Next question, question number 3. Who is the current Prime Minister of India? A. Nirmala Sitharaman, B. Arun Jaitley, C. Piyush Goyal and D. Amit Shah. And the right answer is option A. Nirmala Sitharaman. And remember, Piyush Goyal is currently take over Ministry of Consumer Affairs and Food and Public Distribution from 2020 to present. And also remember, Amit Anil Chandra Shah is an Indian politician currently serving as the Minister of Home Affairs and the First Minister of Cooperation of India. Come to the next question, question number 4. National Tourism Day is celebrating option A 27th September, option B 17th September, option C 25th September and option D 23rd September. So right answer of this question is option A 27th September. Question number 5. Where is Minakshi temple located? Option A Kanchipuram, option B Madurai, option C Rameswaram and option D none. And the right answer is option B Madurai at South India. Next question, question number 6. Where the Silent Valley is located? A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Arunachal Pradesh, C. Kerala and D. Sikkim. And the right answer of this question, option C Kerala. And guys, you also note that the park is famous for its unique and deserved wildlife and bird species. The rich wildlife including the long-tailed macaw, Nilgiri langur, Malabar giant squirrel, Nilgiri tahar, hairy winged bat, Hanuman langur, tiger, leopard cat, jungle cat, fishing cat, common plum, etc. Come to the next question, question number 7. India's largest railway station. Option A Howrah, option B Gorakhpur, option C Kharagpur and option D Shialda. The right answer of this question is option B Gorakhpur. Come to the next question, question number 8. When is Global Recycling Day celebrated? Option A 18 March, option B 17 March, option C 5th March and option D 12th March. Tell me what is the right answer of this question? The right answer of this question is Option A, 18th March. Next question, question number 9. When is the National Sports Day celebrated? Option A, 19 August. Option B, 22nd August. Option C, 27th August. And option D, 29th August. And the right answer is option D, 20th August is celebrated the National Sports Day. Come to the next question, question number 10. Who is the current governor of Indian Reserve Bank? Option A, Shaktikant Das. Option B, D. Subbarao. Option C, Urjit Patel. And option D, none of these. The right answer of this question is option A, Shaktikant Das. And also note that Shaktikant Das is a retired 1980 batch Indian Administrative Service officer of Tamil Nadu cadre, currently serving as the 25th Governor of Reserve Bank of India. Question number 11. The most popular festival in Tamil Nadu is option A, Onam, option B, Bihu, option C, Pingal, and option D, none. And the right answer of this question is option C, Pingal. Come to the question number 12. Which gas is filled in aircraft? Option A, nitrogen. Option B, oxygen. Option C, sulfur. And option D, hydrogen. The right answer of this question is option A, nitrogen. Come to the next question, question number 13. Which one is the cleanest city of India? Option A, Madhya Pradesh. Option B, Bangalore. Option C, Indore. And option D, Andhra Pradesh. The right answer of this question is option C, Indore. Question number 14. In which year Quit India movement was started? Option A, 1942. Option B, 1943. Option C, 1944. And option D, 1945. And the right answer of this question is option A, 1942. And you also remember that in the year 1914, 18th August, Mahatma Gandhi started the Quit India movement. And if you ask that who gives the do or die slogan, then the answer is the Mahatma Gandhi gives the do or die slogan. Question number 15. Who founded the Ramakrishna Mission? Option A, Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Option B, Swami Vivekananda. Option C, Raja Rammohn Roy. And option D, Ramakrishna Paramhansa. The right answer of this question is option B, Swami Vivekananda. The guys, you also note that the Ramakrishna Mission was founded on 1st May 1897 and its headquarters is Belur in Howrah district. Come to the next question. Question number 16. Who is known as Iron Man of India? Option A, Vallabhbhai Patel. Option B, Govinda Vallabh Pant. Option C, Subhash Chandra Bose. And option D, Lal Bahadur Shastri. So tell me what is the right answer of this question. And the right answer of this question is option A, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And guys, you also note that the Statue of Unity is also located in Gujarat in the memories of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And also note that the Lal Bahadur Shastri is the second Prime Minister of India from the year 1964 to 1966. Question number 17. Who gave the slogan Inquilab Zindabad? Option A, Bhagat Singh. Option B, Chandrasekhar Azad. Option C, Sir Muhammad Iqbal. And option D, Maulana Hasrat Mohani. The right answer of this question is Maulana Hasrat Mohani is option D. And you also note that Muhammad Iqbal was an Urdu poetry and he was composition this slogan Inquilab Zindabad in 1921. And you also remember that the Bhagat Singh gave the popularity of the slogan Inquilab Zindabad. And the meaning of this slogan is Inquilab Zindabad is long life the revolution. Come to the question number 18. Who is called the father of nation? Option A Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option B Jawaharlal Nehru. Option C Mahatma Gandhi. And option D Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And the right answer of this question is option C Mahatma Gandhi. And also remember that the Mahatma Gandhi got this title from Singapore on 6 July 1944. So guys, come to the next question. Question number 19. When did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? Option A 1919, option B 1920, option C 1922 and option D 1918. The right answer of this question is option A 1919. On 13 April 1919, the Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place at Punjab, India. Come to the next question. Question number 20. The Rowlatt Act was passed in option A 1921, option B 1919, option C 1913 and option D 1922. And the right answer of this question is option B 1919. And also remember that in the year 1920, Gandhiji was joined in non-cooperation movement. Come to the next question. Question number 21. Who was the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi? Option A Bal Gangadhar Tilak, option B Gopal Krishna Gokhale, option C Arvind Ghosh and option D Chittaranjan Das. So tell me the guys, what is the right answer of this question? The right answer of this question is option B Gopal Krishna Gokhale. And guys, besides note that the Chittaranjan Das was the political guru of Subhash Chandra Bose. So come to the next question. Question number 22. Who said Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? Option A Subhash Chandra Bose, option B Lala Lajpat Roy, option C Bipin Chandra Pal and option D Bal Gangadhar Tilak. And the right answer of this question is option D Bal Gangadhar Tilak. And guys, you also note that the Bal Gangadhar Tilak is also known as Lokmanya Tilak. Come to the question number 23. Who gave the title Mahatma to Gandhiji? Option A Rabindranath Tagore, option B Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, option C Bal Gangadhar Tilak and option D Gopal Krishna Gokhale. The right answer of this question is option A Rabindranath Tagore. And guys, also remember that with this in the year 1915 6th March, Rabindranath Tagore gave this title to Gandhiji. And next question, question number 24. Who is called Prince of Martyrs? Option A Subhash Chandra Bose, option B Khudiram Bose, option C Mahatma Gandhi and option D Bhagat Singh. The right answer of this question is option D Bhagat Singh. And the last question of question number 25. What is the old name of Patna? A Kannauj, B Magadha, C Kapilavastu and D Patliputra. And the right answer of this question is option D Patliputra. And guys, you also note that the ancient city of Patliputra was founded in the 5th century base by Agatshotru, king of the Magadha, which is situated at South Bihar. His son Udaya made it the capital of Magadha which is remained until the 1st century base. That's it for today. I will come next video with new contents. So please subscribe my channel for latest update. Till then, take care and bye.